In this video session, we will understand how to create a tree map chart and sunburst chart. Typically, whenever you have a categorical data and in that categorical data you have some hierarchy, it is better to use a sunburst chart or a tree map chart. Now as an example, I will show you the big basket data. So if you see shop by category, you have categories like fruit and vegetables, food grains, bakery, beverages, etc. So let's take one category as beverages. In beverages you have water, tea, energy drink, health drink, coffee, fruit juices. Then then you have egg, meat and fish. In that you have egg, poultry, mutton, fish, etc. Then you have bakery, cakes and dairy. Let's see the dairy as one category. You have milk, curd, paneer. So I have taken a subcategory milk, curd, etc. Here we have put three categories: beverages, dairy, egg and meat. Under the beverages you have water, health drink, juice, tea, coffee, milk, cheese, curd, etc. And we want to show the sales for a particular day or a particular month or a particular year in the category. Now you would want to know from the sales data which category is most important or which subcategory is most important. For that, it makes sense to create a sunburst or a tree map chart. So let's create a tree map chart. We'll select this data. We'll go to insert and this is the area for the tree map chart. So what is this chart? Use this chart type to compare parts to a whole or when several columns of categories form a hierarchy. So what are the charts we have? One is tree map chart. So if you see this tree map chart, you get an idea. You have this is egg and meat category, beverages category, you have dairy category. Under the egg and meat you have poultry. So note that you may think that okay, this is egg and meat and then poultry are same. In a tree map this is one issue. You think this is full egg and meat and this part, this square bracket is for the poultry. So it looks like if you see this egg and meat, you think that this rectangle is the egg and meat. No, egg and meat is this entire thing. Similarly, beverages is this entire thing and dairy is this entire thing. If you click here, if you see egg and meat, beverages, dairy. So comparatively I can say that dairy has the least amount of total sales. Then you have the beverages and egg and meat has the maximum, or these are similar. Now within egg and meat I can see that poultry and eggs are roughly the same. Then meat is less, fish is less. Among the beverages, tea and coffee is the highest. Then you have water, health drink, juices and energy drink. So you can compare the sales, the multiple categories by just looking at this chart. Whenever you have categorical data, create a tree map chart and then you can go and click and you can see what is the sales here, what is the sales here. We have not made percentage wise, you can make also percentage wise data here. Next, see sunburst chart. In the same data, if I insert, same we have the sunburst chart. So you can create a sunburst chart here. So you can see it is slightly different than your tree map. Here now you know that okay, these are the beverages. So you know this entire thing is beverages. Tree map, beverages and tea and coffee looks at the same level, looks at they are the same category, but tea and coffee is subcategory of beverages. This sunburst chart tries to rectify that issue. Now I know okay, beverages is the category, dairy is the category, eggs and meat, these are the category. Inside beverages we have tea and coffee, water, etc. Right? This is much better a replication of category, subcategory or a hierarchy, you can say. Note that this is by default coming in 2016 and a higher version of Excel. And note that you can obviously, let's say sales by category, this is the title you can put. So these were the sunburst and the tree map chart.